In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when your apps aren't loading on your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Maybe they might be stuck, showing gray boxes, or just not loading properly. Don't worry, we're going to fix all of that. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by going all the way over to your settings, and once you're in your settings, go specifically into your account and profile settings, and then click Sync Amazon Content. You may have to hit this a few times in order to sync it, and I'll be honest, I have no idea why this works, but I found it on Reddit a while back, and it's fixed the issue for me more than once, so it's worth trying first. If that didn't work though, go ahead and go back to the main settings page, and once you're on the main settings page, again, what you're going to want to go and do is scroll down a little bit, and this time go ahead and go into your network settings, and hit the play or pause button on your Wi-Fi network. Your download speed should be close to whatever you're paying for. Even if the FireStick 4K Max has better Wi-Fi, a wired connection is always going to be more stable than wireless. So if you can, I would recommend using an Ethernet adapter since it will massively improve the stability and help your apps load properly. If you're still having issues, go ahead and press the menu button on your Wi-Fi and go ahead and hit Forget Network and then reconnect. Then turn your Wi-Fi off and back on. Unplug your router for 30 to 60 seconds and then unplug your Fire Stick for 30 to 60 seconds as well. Any of these can fix the issue. If you're still having issues, go back to the main settings page and this time go ahead and go to your applications. Open this up, scroll down to the bottom, hit Manage Installed Applications and find whatever app isn't working for you. And then just simply go ahead and hit on that app. Let's just say it's Amazon Kids. Go ahead and hit Clear Cache, and you'll be good to go. You can highlight each of these apps and press the rewind button as well and then select clear cache if you don't want to select all of them individually. And if you're still having issues, go back to the main settings page, but this time go ahead and go to My Fire TV again, select About, and then go ahead and check for updates. And just make sure you're on the latest version. And one more time, if nothing is working, go back to this My Fire TV option and reset it to factory defaults. One of these should work. Obviously, use the factory reset as the last ditch effort that you could possibly do because it will wipe everything. But that is it. That is how you can fix apps not loading on the Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.